Often we're asked, why are your mattresses not out of the plastic? Why are they in a bag on the display for? What sets us apart from different than any other mattress store is we truly are a closeout center. It's not just a name on the wall. If you've listened to our commercials, I try to stress that. Dover's Mattress Closeout Center is not just a name on the wall. We really are a discount mattress store. Well, I see that all the time. I mean, everybody is running a sale. But once again, what makes us different is we buy closeouts. We buy last year's models, discontinued, scuffed, freight returns. Freight returns a lot of times is, I remember when the boats were stuck on the ocean last year, they couldn't get them unloaded. A particular company had truckloads of that stuff. I got offered that, and I say my father was offered that, purchased those. We ended up selling that stuff typically on average about 40% off of retail to 50% off. We try our best to sell everything at least 40% off of retail. Y'all check us out, Dover's Mattress Closeout Center. Come in and let us explain to you exactly what we do.